Nueva Ecija, Philippines, a surprising dessert is making locals and tourists do a double take. Tilapia ice cream, yes. Fish turned into a frozen treat, and it's capturing hearts and taste buds alike. Well, Abunda has a story.
In Muñoz, Nueva Ecija, a humble freshwater fish has taken center stage in an unlikely setting, the dessert table. Footage shows cook Sweetie Jane Tejada transforming tilapia into what's now being called a sweet sensation.
Pagkatapos po natin i-fillet, isi-steam po natin, tapos gagawin na po natin yung process po ng paggawa po ng tilapia ice cream. Ang mga ingredients po nito ay cream, buffalo's milk, nuts, cheese, and tilapia flakes.
Visitors say the fishy flavor never makes it to the spoon.
Ang in-order ko po ay ang tilapia biscoff ice cream roll. And yung reaction ko po at first, medyo strange yung flavor ng ice cream since in-incorporate yung tilapia. But surprisingly, it was a refreshing and unique way of making an ice cream.
Behind the idea is Dana Vera Cruz, who says the dessert is not just about novelty, but also about supporting local farmers.
Meron po kaming mga napiling mga partners namin na mga tilapia farmers that we capacitate them from tilapia grow out hanggang sa processing po, that they will become part of our supply chain. And hindi lang po mga tilapia farmers ang natutulungan natin dito, pati po ang mga ating mga Carabao racers kasi ang ginagamit po namin dito ay ang gatas ng kalabaw.
The innovation has since gone viral online, even earning awards for both creativity and sustainability. Fish-based sweets are not entirely new across Southeast Asia. Delicacies from carp, catfish, and milkfish have long been paired with coconut, sugar, and tropical fruits. But here in Nueva Ecija, tilapia ice cream is carving its own place as a homegrown Filipino original. From the fish pond to the freezer, tilapia ice cream proves that Filipino ingenuity can turn even the simplest ingredients into something extraordinary. Reporting for Newsline World, Wella Abunda, SMNI News.